Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I'm super excited. It's a Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes kind of a day. So without further ado, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, Bibbidi Bobbidi boo. Put it together of what have I got? An unboxing video for you. Hit it, maestro! So I've got my fairy godmother wand. We'll have some magic. It's going to be one of those days, isn't it? So put my glasses on. Yay! There we go. I feel a little tiki bird, orange bird. So yeah, so I've got my ultimate magic box here. And because I've been away so much, I've actually got two. I've got my August and my September, and I'm not sure which one this is. So we'll open it and we'll try and guess when we open it. Should we do that? So. Oh, that's lovely. Look what they put on my box. It was so fun meeting in Batu, and I got to meet the lovely Amanda and Becky, and I'll put a photo in just here. And it was Becky who was trying to fool me, because I was typing her a message saying, oh, we've arrived, and she tried to jump out on me, but I knew what they looked like, so she couldn't, could she? And yeah, lovely ladies, and yeah, it was an absolute thrill to meet them. Unfortunately I didn't meet their mom, but I did meet Becky and her daughter Sophie and Amanda, and yeah, lovely. So they put that, so that's lovely. So this is my September box, and the reason I know that is because of the card that's inside it, and it's got happy spooky season and happy fall. Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I can't believe it. Jack Skellington. So there's the card there, and on the bottom there you have got Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, and that's on Instagram. So isn't that lovely? I love the artwork on that. And there is the spoiler alert over there. I'm not looking at that, so that's over there. So we got navy blue. Ooh. Is this the spooky box? I've seen something. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I am going to do a video. This is my plan, and my plan is this video is going to show everybody, if you haven't already, how to update your preferences and where it is. And so I'm going to do that on the video, but I'm going to do that as a separate video, because if you do, the girls listen. Oh, I'm thrilled to pieces. I am thrilled to pieces. Right, I've got a big item and it's stuffed. So what's this stuff with? I met them in Batu. So this might be a theme box. What do you think? I think it might be. Because I did say to them they really should do Star Wars boxes, because when you go and you see the merchandise, it's fabulous. I can't believe you got me this, girls. I'm so excited. So first of all, we all know I love this sippy cup. This is fabulous. I have got, thankfully the fellas won't want to pinch it because it's pink, but I've got the Star Wars sippy cup. Now I know at the moment Melissa and Mitzi are screaming at the camera because they want this. Well, girls, I love you, but it's not happening. So oh, isn't this fab? And this is a Turvis cup. So close it, because I'm so accident prone, aren't you? It's like at the moment I have got one of these filled with rhubarb water. It's not very nice, but it's, you know, it's tasty. It tastes more like the stalks than the rhubarb. But anyway, but this, yeah, I love this. I love this. Yeah, I don't know when you've seen this, but I've not seen this before. And thank you. Thank you. I'm so thrilled. Oh, gosh, right, ready. Okay. there was something I asked for, and when I was at Star Wars I was very aware I hadn't got a Star Wars backpack, but I have now. Look at this. Oh my word. And this one was on my wish list. I saw this with all the characters and I was like, oh, I really like that, really like that. Look at it. Oh, you've got, right, okay, can I name them? Probably not. We have got Chewie. We've got Chewie down there. We have got, yeah, that's the master, isn't it? Yeah, I need to be watching this. We've got aliens. Where's Princess Leia? So that's going to be Luke. Well, I'm not very good at this. Is there more on the back? I can tell. I can't. I'm useless, aren't I? I really am. But look at this. I love this. And look, inside. I have seen girls. Inside we've got the Star Wars logo and it's a great big deep pocket. So that's fabulous. I can't wait to show you. Right, and inside we've got the Star Wars logo there. And look what else is inside. I've got the matching wallets. Oh my word. I am thrilled. I love matching wallets. We call them purses, but wallets to bags. I like to match, and this is, oh, this is fabulous. So again, all of the characters on the front, which I now know I need to learn. And we've got a zip pocket there. So for change, oh, this is amazing. I can put all my cards down here. I can put my notes in there. And then I've got a huge change pocket here. Because I try and keep quarters separate, because at the end of the trip, a lot of the hotels have got a change machine and they pour them in. Well, the Universal ones have, the Disney ones don't, and it's a nightmare. So I tend to take plastic bags and bag them up into like $5, because holiday makers, we don't use change on holiday. Is that just me, or you the same? I just use notes because it's so heavy. And then I end up with this colossal bag of change. And the last bag was $70, but Universal, they will put it through a change machine for you. And then this side as well, look at this. So you've got another bit there for some coins, for some notes. So those could be the notes that I hide from Phil, and he doesn't know I've got that money, couldn't it? And then I can put tickets and ID there. And then on this side, I've got some more card compartments, the notes he knows about, and a big change. Do you do that, ladies? Do you keep your notes open? I can't believe it. I mean, seriously, I can't believe it. And we're going back soon. We are. And we've got appointments to do the droids, and we've got appointments to do the lightsaber, and we've got appointments to go into Ogre's Cantina. So I can go all decked. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm thrilled just a little bit. So let's have a look at our spoiler alert. And it says, right, okay. Star Wars Cantina flap wallet. We're going to Ogre's Cantina, so it's appropriate, isn't it? And that was $39. The Loungefly bag, that was $65. And then the Star Wars graffiti 24-ounce tumbler was $21.99, which was a total value of $125.99, and this is a $119 box. So what fabulous value. And I just adore this subscription. I adore it because it's things you want, which is why I really want to do this video, to show you how to update your preferences. Because if you haven't updated them, there's so many new things, and they've now got this club, a BBB club, and they put things on there, and if you click on, you can put things onto your wish list, new things that they've got available. So really, you're customising it, but you don't really know what you're going to get. So it's a mystery, but it's not unwanted items. And I think that's so important, because a lot of mystery boxes nowadays, you get stuff and it's like, oh, what am I going to do with it? Well, you know, none of this. This is all just perfect. Absolutely perfect. And tonight I might have a naughty Coke in here. Can't guess what that is, but it might have MUR spelt backwards in it with my Coke as well. So yeah, thrilled to pieces. So thanks so much, girls. I am thrilled, and meeting you was just amazing, and thank you. Anyway, I'll let you go. my excitement levels are like up here. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button at the end of the video and the notification bell, and that way then YouTube will let you know when I've uploaded any more videos, and it's entirely up to yourself if you want to watch them. If you don't, that's absolutely fine, but by clicking that you'll know when I've uploaded and what I've uploaded, and so you don't miss anything. So I always do that. But thanks so much everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, have a Star Wars kind of a day, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye for now everyone. Bye.